Welcome to our channel. We upload quality videos daily to help you discover the best products. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: the best drawing tablets for kids. If you're looking for the perfect tablet for your young artist, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Number 1. Rich GV LCD Tablet. If you need a drawing tablet that's suitable for really tiny hands, you won't go far wrong with the Rich GV LCD Tablet. Available in a choice of bright colors, it's the perfect tablet for small children who are just beginning to enjoy drawing. It's easy to use, it's cheap, and it's impressively rugged and splash resistant. Functionally, the Rich GV LCD tablet is a step up from an Etch-a-Sketch. It's powered by a single CR2016 coin battery, and with the included stylus, kids can write or doodle on the screen with clear, sharply delineated lines, and then hit the clear button to refresh the screen whenever they like. The tablet is compact enough that you can take it pretty much anywhere, making for a good emergency distraction when you're out and about. There's no internal memory, so the tablet won't be able to save any doodles. If your kid is old enough to be bothered about that, then they're likely ready for one of the next tablets on our list. For the littlest ones, this is the ideal starter drawing tablet. Number 2. Wacom One. The Wacom One packs much of the same great tech you'd find in the larger, more expensive Wacom drawing tablets into a small package. This is a great drawing tablet for kids, particularly ages 10 and up, because it's perfectly sized to drop into a school bag or college backpack. While originally released for Windows and Mac, the One by Wacom is now compatible with Android devices and, most importantly, Chromebooks. Just plug it in, download the drivers, and you're off. As more students and kids now use Chromebooks for school and college work, this is a huge advantage. While younger children will only need the small edition, older kids will prefer the larger medium model, and you can connect a Logitech keyboard to make more of this tablet, particularly if you're using it with a display tablet or smartphone. Number 3. Isknry Paper Tablet Faber-Castell Edition. Another hybrid tablet similar to the Wacom Bamboo Slate, the Repaper is the latest option from Iskn, which has been making similar tablets for quite a while now. They've proved popular with both kids and adults, and this model adds pressure sensitivity to the mix, giving it a much more analog feel and bringing it more in line with professional graphics tablets. In the box you get both a 9002B Faber-Castell pencil and the Repaper stylus, meaning your child has the option of drawing on paper, or directly on the tablet. Either way, their drawings can be easily exported to a digital device running Android, iOS, macOS or Windows, and the tablet is also compatible with most common drawing software. It's a little complex for young kids, but budding artists of 10 and up will have a terrific time with the Iskn Repaper. The Repaper Studio app records every step of your creations. Whether a sketch on the fly, a sudden inspiration, or a technical drawing, share your creations as time-lapse videos, on email, social networks, sharing applications, etc. Number 4. Apple iPad Mini, 2021. Ever since Apple Pencil support came to the iPad Mini, the littlest iPad has been our top choice as a pocket-sized all-in-one drawing platform, and its petite dimension mean that it also ranks as a brilliant, if expensive, drawing tablet for kids. Obviously you'll have to buy an Apple Pencil separately, find the best Apple Pencil deals here, but it's well worth the investment, bringing a flawless drawing experience in any app you like. Apple's never put a number on its pressure sensitivity, but it feels good, and it's even suitable for precision drawing rather than sketching. The 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display of the 2021 iPad Mini is crisp and high quality, with a resolution of 2266 by 1488 and a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. While this isn't what you'd want for high-end gaming, it's perfectly good for digital art. The only real downside to this superb tablet is its price if you're buying for a kid, and the fact that you have to tack the price of the pencil onto the end. Number 5. XP Pen Deco MW. XP Pen are a fantastic alternative to bigger brands like Huion and Wacom that offer fantastic products that cover a range of needs. The XP Pen Deco MW is no exception. In our detailed XP Pen Deco MW review, we found this tablet to be easy to use and a great tool for digital art. The Deco MW drawing tablet features 8 shortcut keys that can be customized to suit the various shortcut combinations needed, thus replacing a computer keyboard. An assortment of tactile bumps on the keys lets you identify the correct shortcut quickly, even in a dim environment, helping you to speed up your workflow. The medium size is also perfect for slipping into your bag if you're off to school or college, and it easily slots away in a workspace like a desk. The rubber grips on the bottom make sure the tablet doesn't slide around whilst drawing, and the option to switch between Bluetooth and cable connection makes it easy to use with a multitude of devices.